Hey everyone, welcome back to another exclusive podcast from IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the absolute best education to help you take your trading to the next level. I'm your host, Desmond, and today where we break down a defining moment for digital finance in the United States, the Senate's passage of landmark stablecoin legislation and the dramatic surge in Circle Internet Group's stock. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore why the Genius Act is such a game changer and how Circle, the largest US-based stablecoin issuer, is riding this wave to new heights. On June 17, the US Senate passed the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for US Stablecoins Act, better known as the Genius Act, by a decisive 68-30 vote. Right, this is the first comprehensive federal framework for stablecoin regulation in the country's history, a pivotal moment for the crypto industry. The Genius Act sets strict standards for US dollar-backed stablecoins, requiring full reserve backing, monthly audits, and compliance with anti-money laundering laws. Right, explicitly prohibits riskier algorithmic stablecoins and yield-bearing models, focusing instead on payment stablecoins that are fully supported by cash or government securities. The bill also establishes clear pathways for banks, fintech companies, and even major retailers to issue stablecoins or integrate them into payment systems, potentially expanding the stablecoin market to over $2 trillion in the coming years. Right. For Circle Internet Group, the company behind the USDC stablecoin, the Senate's vote was a game changer. Since its initial public offering on June 5th, Circle's stock has soared, jumping over 500% with shares recently closing above $240, up from an IPO price of just $31. The Senate's passage of the Genius Act sent the stock surging another 20% in a single day, marking its fifth all-time high in June alone. Investor enthusiasm is fueled by the expectation that Circle, already the leading US stablecoin issuer, will benefit directly from the new regulatory clarity. Right, the company's USDC is now positioned to become a mainstream payment tool, not just for crypto traders, but for banks, payment processors, and even retail giants like Amazon, Walmart, and Shopify, who are reportedly exploring stablecoin adoption. The Genius Act's passage signals a major shift in US financial regulation. For the first time, stablecoins have a clear legal status, robust consumer protections, and a defined role in the broader payments ecosystem. This is expected to accelerate adoption by both traditional financial institutions and tech innovators. Circle's CEO, Jeremy Allaire, has likened this moment to the iPhone moment for mobile apps, a turning point where stablecoins could become a foundational layer for everyday finance. With the company reporting strong revenue and net income growth and a market cap now estimated at $30 billion, Circle is emerging as a dominant player in regulated digital finance. While the Genius Act still needs to clear the House and receive the President's signature, bipartisan support and White House backing make passage likely before Congress's August recess. If enacted, this legislation will not only cement the US as a global leader in digital asset innovation, but could also reshape how money moves in the digital age. Right? For investors, the message is clear. Regulatory clarity can unlock enormous value. And Circle's explosive stock performance is a testament to the market's belief in the future of stablecoins. Right, that's all for today's episode as we witness the next chapter in the evolution of digital finance. Thanks for tuning in, and in the meantime, do remember to subscribe to our podcast here at IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the very best education to take your trading to the next level. Until then, stay informed and stay tuned. And